Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to wish y'all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my all-time favorite Starbucks drink, the salted caramel Frappuccino. So let's get started. Here you can see that I'm drizzling in some salted caramel syrup around the inside of the cup. By doing so, you're giving extra flavor to this drink. This part is totally optional, so feel free to skip this step. Pour a little syrup on top, and now your drink is ready to enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time on Good Chews.